Hello guys, today we'll be doing LeetCode question 8, string to integer, ATOI. Implement the myATOI string s function which converts a string to a 32-bit signed integer. The algorithm for myATOI string s is as follows. Whitespace. Ignore any leading whitespace. Signedness. Determine the sign by checking if the next character is minus or plus, assuming positivity if neither present. 3. Conversion. Read the integer by skipping leading zeros until a non-digit character is encountered or the end of the string is reached. If no digits were read, then return the result 0. If the integer is out of the 32-bit signed integer range, so minus 2 to the power of 31 or 2 to the power of 31 minus 1, then round the integer to remain in the range. Specifically, integers less than minus 2 to the power of 31 should be rounded to minus 2 to the power of 31, and integers greater than 2 to the power of 31 minus 1 should be rounded to 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. Return the integer as the final result. So example 1. Input s is equal to 42, output is 42. The explanation is the underlying characters are what is read, and the carrier is the current reader position. So step 1, 42, no characters read because there is no leading whitespace. Step 2, 42, no characters read because there is neither a minus or no plus. Step 3, 42 is read in. Now example 2, s is minus 042, the output is minus 42. For step 1, any leading whitespace is removed. Step 2, minus 042, there is a minus. It's read, so the result should be negative. Step 3, 042 is read in, leading 0 is ignored in the result, so they remove the 0. Now example 3, 1337 C0D3, output is 1337. Explanation 1337 C0D3, no characters read because there is no leading whitespace. Step 2, no characters read because there is neither a minus nor plus. Step 3, 1337 is read in reading stops because the next character is non-digit. Example 4, s is 0 to minus 1, output is 0, explanation 0 minus 1, no characters read because there is no leading whitespace. Step 2, no characters read because there is neither a minus nor plus. Step 3, 0 is read in, reading stops because the next character is a non-digit. Okay, the way we're going to do this is fairly simple. We can pretty much do step 1, 2, and 3 all at once by just passing s as an integer. So what we do is we just pass into s, which removes whitespace. It checks if it's a negative or plus and turns it to an integer of that value, and it converts it to an integer as well, skipping any leading zeros. Now what we have to do is round to the closest 32-bit if it's bigger. So what we do is we check if and s, so pass integer s, is smaller or is bigger than math.pow 2 to the power of 31 minus 1, then we just return, as I mentioned here, which return 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So math.pow 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. Now if pass integer s, this time is smaller than math.pow negative 2 to the power of 31. Then we just return again math.pow negative 2 to the power of 31. And here we return pass integer s or 0. So if we find integer, we will return the integer. Otherwise, for example in here, this won't pass an integer because it's not an integer, so we'll return 0 instead. As here the output should be 0. So if we run, let's see if that passes. As you can see, it does. Let's submit. And as you see, this is one of the fastest methods. This is a time complexity of on. As worst case, we are passing all integers, unless it's not an integer string, to each value in the string. So for each letter in the string we pass an integer, so that's on of time complexity, and the space complexity of O1 as we're not storing any extra variables. Thanks for watching.